Hi guys, I'm Tanish. So today I'm going to talk about my final year project, which is highly encrypted Notepad app for businessmen and journalists. So basically, this app is our regular Notepad app, which we use in Android, iOS, or laptops. But it's more highly encrypted and it's more specialized for certain professions like lawyers, businessmen, journalists, or anyone can use this particular app. So first of all, I just want to address what are the main problems in the current Notepad app, which lead me to this project. So first of all, it's insecure note taking and data vulnerability. So a current a note taking app such as Google Keep, Evernote, and Apple Notes are not equipped with robust security feature like end-to-end encryption coupled with biometric authentication. So some website, though they provide password protection, but it's not in a very high level. So next, inhabited accessibility and privacy issues. So most of these people in this profession, journalists, high-level businessmen, high-level business profiles, they're actually very concerned about the privacy issues they're gonna face if they use a normal Notepad app. And next, lack in secure backup and retrieval system. So let's say the particular data in the Notepad app got deleted. There's no backup system in current Notepad apps, normal Notepad apps. Next is lack in secure offline friendly note sharing method. So we can actually share those notes, but in an image form or in a word form, but we can't actually share it as a note with enough security. So the project that I'm currently involved in has a secure offline and it's offline friendly note sharing method. Next, I'm just gonna give the solutions for each problem just now. So first of all, is secure AES 256 encryption. So the app use AES 256 encryption, making sure that only users have the biometric authentication can access the data that has been stored. So we will have a fingerprint biometric authentication to access the notes, and if the biometric authentication, the fingerprint doesn't work, we will have a passcode. Next, offline and encrypted backup mechanism. We will have a backup mechanism if the data got erased or anything. Next, we have a peer-to-peer note sharing mechanism via QR codes. Okay, so this is a safe way to share our notes. If you want to share it to anyone, we have a QR code, and after the QR code, they will go through the same process, the same biometric fingerprint and also passcode process. Next, wipe on attack feature. So this is an interesting feature. Basically, when someone try to view the note, so and they don't have the proper access, proper biometric access or proper passcode access, after a certain number of time it will have a wipe on attack feature, which is basically it will erase all the data. So the original user should access these notes in from the backup system. So the backup system is from a local drive. So this is exactly what just I explained just now. So user enters the fingerprint and access the node with the passcode, and after, so they can set a certain number of times. How many times are they gonna, access the node? Like how many times they can fail to access the node. If they fail more than the number of times that has already been set by the original user, the data will be erased. Next, I'm gonna talk about the project objectives. So first of all, we wanna prevent unwanted access and vulnerabilities. Next is to integrate advanced security features, including automatic data wipes, self-destruction, as I explained just now. Next, to create a peer-to-peer note sharing system, and also to assess how well the created system improves offline accessibility as it's already offline. Next, the project's scope. Uh, So first of all, the scope is will support AES 256 encrypted node storage. The platform will be utilized entirely offline. The primary users are high-level business professional and investigative journalists who require high secure private, which is this is the main reason why we are doing this project. Next, the system will also have other security functionalities such as auto lock, temper detection, emergency lock modes, and optional self-destruct. Next, user can backup and restore their encrypted notes securely, locally, or on external drive. So literature review, basically this is a comparison between the current note taking system and the note taking system that we are gonna um, build, or we are gonna make. So in a simple terms, we will have more encrypted version of a notepad. We will have a sharing option, more encrypted sharing option. We will have a self erase, which is a new element in the notepad app. So and all. So what I required for this project, as we can see, the technology required for front end, we need a React native framework. For backend, Firebase, encryption, AES-256 for data security, and the network elements are basically the peer-to-peer sharing element, and the security element already noted here. AES-256 encryption, biometric authentication, fast phrase based decryption. When it's encrypted, it will be decrypted again. Encrypted local backups, auto-lock emergency data wipe feature, time-limited encryption for QR code. In the project area, the main area of this project is actually security and cryptography. So for the network element, as I said, it's the peer-to-peer node transfer using QR code, and how it works I have explained here. Encryption on sender's device, first it's encrypted in the sender's device, then there will be a QR code that is generated, and then there will be an offline P2P transfer. We can use Wi-Fi direct, or some other modes for offline modes. And also there's a device side decryption. So when the recipient receives the node, they need to decrypt it also. And yeah, so this is the um, what I explained just now. This is a sequence diagram of what I explained just now. Next, we have a security element. So as is from just now, I am explaining, there's AES-256, encrypted local backup, emergency data wipe, and auto lock, and also time restricted share notes encryption keys. So this is the important part. Survey result. This is a survey done mainly among journalists, businessmen, and also students. So we done a survey among this class of people. I just want to address some important questions here. So the first one is, what is the level of your concern regarding data privacy in your profession? As we can see, there's a major amount of people saying extremely concerned and very concerned. So this is a critical, I wouldn't say problem, critical thing that we need to notice, as a lot of people are concerned about the data privacy in the Notepad apps, and this is the main reason why we are doing this project. Another thing is, do you store sensitive or confidential information in your digital notes? And we can see nearly 66.7% of them have said yes. So, which is a very important thing that we need to notice, as a lot of people are storing their very, very high private, very important stuff in Notepad apps. So, we need to take that into an account when we are to do this project. This is the main purpose of doing this project. So, and there are also other questions, how important is end-to-end encryption? Do you believe the current note-taking app provides adequate security for your needs? So these are all the survey questions that lead me to be involved in this project. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.